Hello everyone, I will show you how to fix Safari could not install a profile due to unknown error. First of all, I searched for a solution for this, and what I found out about it is this is happening to the old iPhone devices. I think what I see, and not all of them, and I found a solution for this, which is I have 5 steps to complete, and you will find a solution for it and you will fix it. Click out, and after that what you need to do is to open App Store from here really quick and search for Safari really quick, and after that what you need to do is tap on it and update it, and after you update it click back and open settings on iPhone and scroll down and click on general and tap on software update, and from here you need to update your iPhone. You need to make sure iOS is up to date, and after that click back. And this is the second solution. And the third solution, what you need to do is you need to make sure you have strong Wi-Fi connection or cellular data connection, and after that tap on screen time, and from here tap on connect content and privacy restrictions, and you need to make sure to turn off this, and after that click back. On the fourth step, what you need to do is to scroll down until you find Safari. From here click on it and scroll down all the way to the end, and you will find out clear history and website data. Click on it, and from here tap on clear history to clear all of them. Choose all history from here and tap on clear history to clear all the history and useless data inside Safari. And after that scroll down all the way to the end and tap on advanced and click on website data, and after that tap on remove all website data from here and tap on it, and after that click back. And after you did all these steps, now what you need to do is to restart your iPhone again, and after that open Safari, and you will be able to fix this problem and use Safari properly. And basically that's it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.